Now we move to the drying system of the plant. What our client built is a brake drying system. The overall length of this is about 70 meters. Many customers choose to use the metal dryer for big capacity like this in order to save some space. For the metal dryer, it can reduce to only 45 meters long. This is a combustion chamber with natural gas burner. It can also be heated by diesel, LPG, or even coal. The blower working with the burner. The structure inside is symmetrical. With two blowers on each side, it creates a circulation of hot air. The drying efficiency of this system is high. After about 20 minutes, the wet actually will come out dry and sturdy. At last, we arrive at the end part of the process, where the eggshells are being collected and packed. Usually 2 to 3 people will be working around this area. This is the auto tray collector. It also counts the number by the sensors and shows you on the dashboard on the other side. Then we will weigh it and pack it. Usually we pack it with 70 pieces per pack or 100 pieces per pack, depending on the buyer's request. The weight of each tray here is about 100 grams. Overseas is about 80 grams. Once it's packed, the size will reduce. Then we will bag it and put it aside, waiting for the truck to transport it out. If you are interested in the business, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.